Have you ever wondered what it takes to bring soulmates together? Are you a little bit curious about the art and science behind matchmaking? Then welcome to the Matchmaker Mentor Podcast, your insider's guide to professional matchmaking. I'm your host, Arlene Washburn, the Matchmaker Mentor who has trained hundreds of matchmakers worldwide. Join me as I pull back the curtain on this fascinating profession. Each week, we'll explore the skills, strategies, and stories that define successful matchmakers. We'll cover everything from understanding human psychology to mastering communication to building a thriving matchmaking business. Whether you're an aspiring matchmaker, a dating professional looking to expand your services, or simply intrigued by the behind-the-scenes magic of making matches, this podcast is your roadmap to success. Get ready for expert interviews, practical tips, and real-world insights that will empower you to make meaningful connections for others and for yourself. So are you ready to embark on a journey to become the ultimate connector? Subscribe now to the Matchmaker Mentor Podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you get your podcasts. Your path to a rewarding career in love starts here.